By the end of this video, you will know how to set up an org chart in Gusto. Start by signing in to your Gusto account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click People. This area contains your employee records and the tools tied to your company structure. After People opens, select the Org Chart tab. This takes you to the view that displays your company's reporting structure. If manager relationships have already been added for some employees, you may see part of the hierarchy here right away. If the chart is empty, that usually means manager assignments still need to be added to employee records before the structure can appear. To begin filling in the org chart, click Assign Manager if that option appears on the page. You can also open an individual employee's profile to add the same information there. Both paths lead to the same result, so use whichever one is available in your view. When you are adding a manager for an employee, look for the field that lets you choose that employee's direct manager. Select the correct person from the available list, then save your changes. Make sure you assign the direct manager, not someone higher up in the chain, since the org chart is built from these reporting relationships. Continue through your employee list and repeat this process for each person who still needs a manager assignment. Open the employee record, choose the direct manager from the list, and save. As you move through the team, keep the reporting structure consistent so the chart reflects the actual hierarchy in your company. Once everyone has been assigned to the correct manager, return to the Org Chart tab. Gusto will automatically organize the reporting hierarchy based on the manager assignments you entered. At this point, you should see employees placed under their managers, forming the company structure across the chart. Take a moment to review the chart carefully. Look for any reporting lines that do not match your intended structure. If you notice an employee listed under the wrong manager, go back to that employee's profile or use the assignment option again, update the reporting relationship, and save the change. Then return to the org chart to confirm that the hierarchy now appears correctly. This review step is useful because the chart depends entirely on the manager assignments attached to each employee record. If even one relationship is off, the structure in the chart can shift in a way that does not match your organization. Updating the assignment corrects the chart automatically. After you have checked the reporting relationships and made any needed updates, the org chart will reflect the structure you set up in Gusto. Your org chart in Gusto is now set up and organized by manager assignments.